Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and service. Check your iPhone 13 model and update iOS now, because firmware enables carrier 5G features. Once done, make sure your carrier account includes a 5G plan and that your physical SIM or eSIM is active. Carriers sometimes require provisioning. You should briefly enable Wi-Fi to speed any carrier profile downloads, then restart the phone to ensure the latest settings apply. This primes the device for the next configurations. You now configure the phone. Open Settings, go to Cellular, then Cellular Data Options, and tap Voice and Data to reveal 5G choices. Select 5G on when you want full 5G performance, or choose 5G Auto to let the system balance speed and battery life. Also review data mode and adjust as needed for app background activity. If your carrier mandates custom APN settings, input them here. Otherwise, the profile should auto-provision. Make sure you see the 5G icon after a moment. You finish by validating the connection. Check for the 5G icon in the status bar and run a speed test outdoors to confirm expected throughput. If 5G does not appear, reboot the phone, toggle airplane mode on then off, and recheck settings. Often this forces a network reattach. If still stuck, reset network settings as a targeted fix. Note this clears saved Wi-Fi passwords. For persistent issues, contact your carrier with your IMEI and account info so they can provision 5G on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.